Good morning, Upper Michigan. Look at this beautiful day today, and a great day to work on this guy. Actually, a great day to demolish this guy. This is my old deer stand. It's been here about as long as I have. The chipboard is chipping. It's rotten in a lot of places. The roof is falling apart at least once already, so I replaced it with this tin. Got a little crack in the plexiglass. It has seen better days. It's had great days, but it's time to replace it. And hopefully I'll do a little bit better than this. I don't think I'm setting my bar too high. We might even put a back door on. So, oh, I almost dropped the phone. Hey, let's have had it. Welcome to In the Sticks. So welcome to In the Sticks, and let's start building. Lucky you guys, you didn't get to have to watch me measure this out because currently I'm a one-man show and my own cameraman. But I did some measurements. I think we're gonna do it a little bit bigger than what it was before. I'm hoping that this year I can take my son hunting with me and have a little more elbow room in there. I would have even liked to have a little bit more elbow room myself. So we are gonna get on it and walk back to the house and start building. Look at all these apples. What a great place to hunt. All right, so here's the start of the project here. I've got about 4 feet going up this way. I'm gonna go up about 6 feet here so I'm able to stand. I've went about 8 feet across, which is double the length of what I currently have. Plenty of room for me and my son there. And the old one is about 4 feet back. I went about 5 feet back, so I got a little bit of elbow room. This door I found on side the road. The bottom is rotted out, but that doesn't matter because we're gonna cut it off right there. And I'm gonna have a good little window to see out the back. I've got a lot of good clear line of sight out there now with no back door, but usually I take a little piece of tin, put it in back, and then you can't see what's behind you. So I definitely want to be able to see what's coming from behind. So that's it. We're gonna get started here and just kind of record the progress as we go. All right, before we get started, I want to show you guys one more thing I'm kind of excited about that I almost forgot to show you. If you can look past the temporary hillbilly fix that I have on my roof, right over there, there's a chimney, which means I have a garage. No, which means I have a wood stove in my garage. I obviously have a garage. This winter is going to be awesome because I can actually do things for the 8 months of the year we have snow. All right, let's build. There we go, a little time lapse here. There's the basic structure. Trying to make it as straight as I can out of crooked boards, and it's obnoxiously tall. That's okay, because I'm obnoxiously tall and I'm gonna probably fit in this thing pretty decent. Sweet. I don't know if you can tell from this camera angle, but it is a little crooked because I'm building it with crooked boards, but good enough for a deer stand. All right. Building intermission. Have you ever seen a cat and a dog get along so well? Look at those two. Just amusing to watch, and the cat loves it. It's probably the only cat I've ever really liked because it's more like a dog than it actually is a cat. This thing is awesome. He hisses, but he comes back for more, and more, and more. Aw. Clark, you had enough. All right, frame's complete and it's getting heavy, so I think we better move it. You're wondering how I'm gonna get that way out in the woods? The answer is yes, it's awkward and I'm gonna roll it. All right, it's a little cold out here, but it's feeling warm now. Almost time to lose the sweatshirt. There's one last look at the old one. There's the inside. And there's the new one. Stepping on that old piece of tin here. There's the new one in its new spot-ish. Almost in its new spot. Loosened up a little bit, rolling it here. This top board looks like it came loose. That's okay. We're gonna get it in position and get that all tidied up. All right, old stand, move on over. She is, guys, the old green machine. Good enough to win a war and good enough to haul a bunch of stuff out to a stand here for me today. I mean, if you think about who would have thought 70-something years ago this thing was part of a giant war effort meant to be just a disposable tool, and here it is out in Upper Michigan hauling stuff out into the woods. That was a lot easier to get that on there than it was to get it up here by hand. And really, I just love any excuse to drive my Jeep here. But we got the generator over there with a bunch of power tools on top. And the stand is in place, so we've only got a little bit more to go. Let me get this thing sturdied up, and now we're ready to rock and roll. Get this thing finished. Got power! We don't have power. Got power! Yeah, here we are in the afternoon and it's coming together. We've got it mostly sided in. We gotta still put the roof on top. We're gonna use the old one to store the generator for tonight, and we're gonna hit it up again tomorrow. Good night. And good morning. It is day 2. We had a lot of rain and it looks like, let's take a peek through here, everything is dry. Let's get started. Again, nice. Would have been nice to time lapse this so you could see some building, but at least you're seeing progress. We have a roof. We have nice, clean inside, spider-free for the moment. And a front that only needs windows. Side that needs windows. I'm gonna let the kids go buck wild with some spray paint and do some camouflage. And here comes Fuzz, eating his sandwich. He says that this is his house. Is this your house, Fuzz? Anybody home? What do you mean? Bless you.
This one has a door, this one's bigger, and it has no broken windows.
Well, I think it'll be good.
It's probably gonna be easier because this one has like broken windows, everything like that. And soon this is, no, we could actually put this.
Are you excited to spray paint it?
This?
No, the new one. See all that spray paint down there? That's for you guys to spray paint camouflage on there.
Can we do it right now?
We're gonna wait for Puff.
Should I tell him? But this one, look how much it wiggles.
Now you guys will be able to sit with me in a solid deer stand this year. And be warm.
Yeah, and look how much this one wiggles.
I know, it's kind of rotten. And there it is. Windows in, plexiglass in. Old one sitting over to the side. Got the tin off for future projects. Got a whole pile of junk we'll come back later to pick up with the Jeep. Nice little red back door. Good avenues of approach. Straight ahead's where I shot my last 2 deer. Let's see, nice and straight down to the right. Even better when we move that old deer stand. And straight down the road there. Sweet.
It's in my house. This was Harrison's house. I could imagine this being his house. Get over here. I can get Harrison.
Someone found a new fort.
Now we won't get rained on. Because I put it up.
Here real quick.
Did I put my gun in here real quick?
Let's see your gun. That was an awesome gun.
I know.
Did you make it?
No, I just find it.
Where'd you find it?
I found it over there.
Some guy just left it there?
Yep.
No, it's your gun.
Yeah.
That is pretty cool. So I've been waiting to show this to you because I've been building it with you especially in mind so that we can hunt together.
Sure.
You can go ahead of me.
Alright. Okay.
Oh, partridge. Might have been the same one that was here the other day. What do you think, Puff?
I like it. Oh, it's better than last year.
I like this little doll.
I love the little door. Go look at the front.
It's locked.
Oh.
It's not broken. It's not gonna fall on my head.
Ready to paint it?
Yes. Sure.
This can camouflage. Oh wait, I want to do. Light it on really good.
That's what we're gonna do when we put the greens and the tans on there.
Oh,
That is actually really cool.
Oh, she had a life burns.
Right there. Try there. Okay, go ahead.
Dad, I'm not gonna do it.
Further back.
Because the residue on mine keeps on going. This ball?
Okay. Yep, go for it. Squeeze. Is it too hard? No, don't put it towards yourself. The white nozzle has to be sticking out. Don't look at it. Okay, push.
I'm not.
Nice.
Take a video of me doing it too.
Okay. Oh, you're gonna cover up the progress. Only on the bottom. He did figure out the spray paint can though, and I like the enthusiasm. It's okay, it's learning. All right, no more right there, Fuzz. You gonna dance for me again?